Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Let's learn SCADA with Smriti. Now today I came with a very good video how to prepare a multifunctioning meter file using 61850 addressings in ABB RTU. If you will prepare a RTU file using 61850 protocol and if you want to configure multiple multifunctioning meters, then you need a lot of time, right? But I will tell you how to prepare 10 multifunctioning meters within 10 minutes. Very simple video. Just watch my video and learn the steps how I am preparing the 10 multifunctioning meters in 10 minutes only using 61850 protocol as a addressing. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell button for my upcoming video notifications. And if you like this video, please hit the like button also. Friends, you can see here I have prepared an RTU file here for you for this demo training purpose, and I have created a 61850 host line, and you can see this is the 61850 host line and this is the Modbus serial slave line, and in this I have added around 10 MFMs to make you understand how to prepare a MFM in a RTU file. So you can see here I given the nomenclature like this: MFM 01, 02, 03, 04. If I'll give MFM 1, 2, 3, 4, then when you have 10 MFM, so it will not be in a sequence. If you have 20 MFM, then the first one will be MFM 10, 01, then 10, everything will be dismantled. So better you give addressing like this: 01, 02, 03, 04, like this. So now I'll tell you the hardware part. So where here I have created this around this much of signals. All the signals I have created in this MFM only, and no other signals are created. And these signals also don't have any 61850 address, only having Modbus address, but they don't have any 61850 address. So now we will give the 61850 address for these MFMs, as well as we will these signals, as well as we will configure all the 10 MFM within 10 to 15 minutes. So just check this how I am doing. Just you have to export Excel file from here. Okay, just you have to export Excel file 1, 2, 3. I have given the name MFM training, or better I will give MFM 1, 2, 3 here only. Next, and delete whatever you have, and better next, and yes, you can see. Okay, it's exported. Okay, now it's exported. Now we'll go to this and we'll check. This is MFM training Excel file, you can see here, and if you'll come to MFM sheet, you can see this much of signals created. Okay, this much of signals created. So first of all, if I'll start my work, what I always do, I give this also name like this, and simply what I will do, I will give equal to, and I will give this name only. Okay, so whatever name you will change, it will change. It's very simple. Okay, you given like this. Now come to other part. So I don't need all this thing to see again, so I will just hide all this part. I don't need. Okay, and now I will hide this part also. Okay, you can see here this part also I don't need. Okay, only I need, this is the slave address of MFM. I need to change this one, and similarly I have to change the 61850 address. So here I will give the logical node name as LD01 because it is my first MFM. So LD01, it's very simple. You give like this only, so then only you can do it very fast, otherwise it will be very late. Okay, make it copy series, all signals will be like this. Similarly, what is the first signal is energy. Everything is coming under metering. So this is coming under metering only, but these two signals are generic signals. We are taking some IO signals, so this is generic, like operable, inoperable, device active or not, all those things. So here we will take, like this is MV, all these signals are coming under MV, take it here MV, but these two signals I will take under SP. Okay, I will take under SP. Similarly, I will take this one, first one is meter, MMTR. Okay, and all other signals I will take under MMXU. Okay, I will take here under MMXU, so you can take here MMXU. Okay, similarly here I will take SPGGIO. This is also GGIO. Okay, similarly you have to give a number here now. Okay, drag this number up to here and give this one is 2. Okay, similarly you take it, this is the signal. Okay, now it is active energy, so you have to select this one. Another one is reactive energy, so here this one. Then active power is this one. Reactive power or apparent power, okay, sorry, apparent power. Then this is phase A, current phase A, this one. Okay, similarly current phase B, you need to invest some time here to prepare the first MFM only. All other MFMs you don't need to invest any time. Okay, so better to invest some time here, no problem to invest some time here. So you can see here I have given AB, BC, CA. AB, BC, CA is nothing but RYB, so this is RYYB and BR. Okay, you can give naming like that also. Now I have given, and this one is reactive power, so this is reactive power, and this one is indication, this one is also indication. Now some people, what they do, they select first one and they copy everything. That is wrong. Always try to select from here only. Don't copy paste anything in these columns. Always try to select only, otherwise it will not work. This RTU file will not communicate with your SCADA. It will not communicate, and you will say that Smoothie didn't tell you about this, but I told you. Okay, so always do like this, select only, don't copy paste. And similarly I will select here which group you want to put all this. Okay, data control means reporting block, so I will put in this only, and this one I will put under this one. Okay, similarly I have to give a dataset name, so I will select everything under A, and these two signals are digital, so I will select under B. Okay, just there is no thumb rule, you can select anything. Okay, first of all this part is done. Okay, you save it, your first part is done. Now you can simply import this file and test, but I will not import now. What I will do, I will make it color. Okay, make a yellow color, this one better. Okay, now I will copy this one and paste. Okay, very simple. Okay, I did it. So now I'll give different color to below one, for example this color. So, okay, now 2 MFMs done. Similarly I will do for other 4 MFMs now done. Okay, 4 done. Now right click. Okay, I have to copy again, I forgot to copy. Every time I have to copy 4, and you can see here insert copy 8. Okay, I will do 8 only, or okay, I will do 8 only. Okay, but don't forget to put this end in the end. Okay, if you will not put, then it will go this file will go to infinity loop and it will not work properly. Okay, so now you have to select this part. Okay, Control H, type MFM01, type MFM02, replace. You can see 15 signals replaced. Okay, now I will select another one. Similarly 3, replace. Okay, similarly I will select another one, 4. You can see here that this side, this name is also automatic changing, because I have put a formula as equal to in the beginning, so other side is automatic changing. You can see here, so don't think that it's not automatic. This part you no need to worry, you have to worry about this also, you have to see. And I have modified this one like this, so you can see. Similarly, you have to change this name also. This is the logical node name of 6150. Okay, I am changing the logical node name of 6150 now. I'm changing the logical node name of 6150. So simple replace, and this is similarly you have to replace. Okay. Select and replace. Okay, now you need to change the slave address of all MFM. So the slave address is this one, slave address. You can see slave address. Okay, so slave address is this one. So you can see here I will put 1 and 1 here also. Don't worry, just you have to do it. Otherwise, okay, equal to plus this one plus 1. Okay, this is 2. Okay, now you have to drag it fully. Don't worry, just you drag it. Now you can see all numbers will change accordingly. Okay, now everything is fine, all things is done. Unhide it, your RTU file is ready. Just close this one. You can see very simply I did it. You can close it, this one. Now you have to go here and Excel import. Now please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. And you can see everything is fine now. And if I'll check consistency, I think no consistency, because 9 and 10 I didn't configure for making the video short, so that's why it is coming. Otherwise everything is fine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like this video if you like. Thank you.